Once upon a time, in a small town, there was an old school with a very strange bathroom. It was said that whenever someone entered alone, strange things would happen. The students called it the haunted bathroom. One day, a brave little girl named Mia was dared by her friends to go inside the haunted bathroom. Mia, full of courage, agreed to go. As she pushed open the door, the room creaked loudly, and a chilly wind swept past her. But Mia wasn't scared. She giggled and said, "It's just an old bathroom." As she looked around, she noticed something odd. The lights began flickering, and the faucets started dripping by themselves. Plop. 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 Mia stepped closer to the mirror, and suddenly, she saw a shadow moving behind her. She spun around quickly, but found nothing there. Suddenly, the bathroom stalls began rattling. Mia's heart raced, but she stayed calm. "Hello," she called, her voice echoing. To her surprise, she heard a faint whisper, "Help us." Mia felt a chill run down her spine. But instead of running away, she decided to investigate. She peeked into one of the stalls and gasped. There, sitting on the toilet seat, was a friendly ghost named Charlie. He wore a tiny bow tie and had a mischievous smile. "Oh, hi. Sorry if I scared you," Charlie said. "We're just a few ghosts stuck here, trying to get your attention." Mia smiled, realizing that the ghosts weren't bad. "Why are you stuck in here?" she asked. Charlie sighed. "Years ago, this was our favorite hangout spot, but we accidentally got trapped when the school was remodeled. Now we're stuck in the bathroom forever." Mia felt sorry for the friendly ghost. "What can I do to help you get out?" she asked. Charlie's eyes lit up. "There's a secret lever behind the mirror. If you pull it, we'll be free." With determination, Mia went to the mirror and found the hidden lever. She gave it a good pull, and suddenly, the room filled with a magical glow. The flickering lights stopped, and the dripping faucets quieted. Charlie and his ghost friends cheered in delight as they floated up, free at last. "Thank you, Mia," Charlie said with a big smile. "You're the bravest person we've ever met." The ghosts waved goodbye as they disappeared into the air. From that day on, the bathroom was no longer haunted. Mia became a hero at school, and the haunted bathroom became just a fun story to tell. And as for Charlie and his ghostly friends, they found a new place to hang out, the attic of the school, where they promised never to scare anyone again.